GPUS is actually becoming a lot more interesting than it was a couple of weeks ago. For a long time, this thing was stuck in a nasty downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, no real reason to pay attention. But recently, the character has changed. Buyers stepped in around 11 to 12 cents, and since then, we've seen a pretty clean series of higher lows and higher highs. What catches my eye is the move through 1681 and then 1816. Those weren't random levels. Price pushed through them with volume, which tells me demand is finally showing up. That's the first thing I look for when I'm trying to figure out whether a beaten down stock is actually turning around. Now, honestly, I don't love chasing it after a straight run into 19 cents. The next real test sits up around 21.38. If GPUs can consolidate here and then break that level, I'd be much more interested because that would suggest institutions are willing to keep pressing. On the downside, I want to see 1816 hold. If price immediately loses that breakout level, then this move starts looking a lot less convincing. For me, this setup is bullish, but it's early stage bullish. The structure is improving, momentum is building, but confirmation still matters. I'd rather wait for demand to validate than chase an extended candle. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.